In today's video, I'm going to teach you can import a PDF into Excel using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever received a PDF full of tables or figures and wished you could work with that data in Excel, this quick process will get you there with just a few clicks. First, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is Acrobat, not a web browser viewer. Once the file is open, take a moment to scan the pages so you know what you're exporting. Things like clear table borders, consistent column headers, and legible text typically convert more cleanly. If the PDF was created from a scan, Acrobat will usually run text recognition automatically to help extract the numbers into real cells. Next, look to the right-hand pane and select the Export PDF tool. If you don't see it there, go to the top menu, choose Tools, and then select Export PDF. This feature is designed specifically to convert PDFs into editable formats, and it keeps as much structure as possible so you don't have to rebuild your tables from scratch. You'll see a simple panel that lets you pick the type of file you want. From the list of export options, choose Spreadsheet as the format, and then select Microsoft Excel Workbook. This tells Acrobat to create an emballet.xlsx file that opens directly in Excel. Choosing Spreadsheet ensures that rows, columns, and detected tables are preserved, which saves a lot of cleanup time later. If your PDF contains multiple tables, Acrobat will attempt to keep them organized in the export. Now click Export. Acrobat will process the document and convert the content. When prompted, pick a folder, give the file a clear name you'll recognize later, and confirm the save. That's it. The new Excel file is created. Open it in Excel and you'll see your data laid out in cells, ready for sorting, filtering, and formulas. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Complex layouts, nested tables, or heavy graphics may require light touch-ups in Excel after the export, which is normal for any conversion tool. If numbers appear as text, use Excel's value conversion options to standardize them. And if a particular table didn't align perfectly, simple adjustments to column widths and header rows usually get things in shape fast. With these steps, you can turn static PDFs into workable spreadsheets in moments. Keep the original PDF for reference and rely on the exported workbook for analysis, charts, and quick sharing once your data looks the way you want.